Welcome back to the Review Garage, your ultimate destination for the most exclusive car reveals, in-depth reviews, and all things automotive. If you're passionate about speed, luxury, and groundbreaking technology, you're in the right place. So buckle up, because today we're diving into one of the most opulent automotive debuts of the decade. The brand new 2026 Mercedes-Maybach SL 860. The Maybach name has always stood for ultimate prestige. And when you pair it with the SL badge, you get a combination of heritage, performance, and unmatched sophistication. The 2026 SL 860 isn't just a facelift or a slightly tweaked model. This is a completely reimagined Grand Tourer that aims to redefine what top-tier luxury means in an open-top sports car. First, let's talk design. Mercedes-Maybach has gone for a bold yet elegant approach. The long, flowing hood, sculpted body lines, and signature chrome grille give the SL 860 an unmistakable presence. The front fascia features a new crystal effect headlight system with micro-LED technology, ensuring razor-sharp illumination and a visual signature you won't mistake for anything else. The retractable soft-top roof operates in just 12 seconds and can be activated at speeds up to 50 kilometers per hour, letting you switch between refined coupe comfort and wind-in-your-hair freedom almost instantly. Move to the side profile, and you'll notice the bespoke 22-inch forged Maybach wheels with intricate detailing, a nod to traditional craftsmanship blended with modern performance engineering. The rear end keeps things sleek, with slim OLED tail lamps and a seamlessly integrated rear diffuser. This isn't a car that shouts. It speaks in the language of quiet confidence and timeless elegance. Under the hood, things get even more exciting. The SL 860 packs a hand-built 6.0-liter twin-turbo V12 engine, tuned to deliver a colossal 860 horsepower, hence the name. This powerhouse is paired with Mercedes' latest 4MATIC Plus all-wheel drive system and a 9-speed automatic transmission. The result? A blistering 0 to 100 kilometers per hour sprint in just 3.3 seconds, and a top speed electronically limited to 325 kilometers per hour. And yet, despite the performance figures, the car remains whisper quiet when cruising, thanks to advanced active noise cancellation and a new adaptive exhaust system that can go from serene to savage with a single mode switch. Inside, the SL 860 is pure Maybach indulgence. Every surface is wrapped in the highest grade Napa leather, with your choice of bespoke color schemes and handcrafted inlays in wood, carbon fiber, or even backlit crystal. The seats are more like first-class airline pods, offering heating, cooling, massage functions, and even a neck warming system for open-top drives in cooler climates. Ambient lighting offers 64 customizable colors, while the MBUX Hyperscreen spans the entire dashboard, giving you AI-driven controls, augmented reality navigation, and next-generation entertainment options that, of course, it wouldn't be a Maybach without personalization. Mercedes' manufacturer program allows SL 860 buyers to tailor every detail, from monogrammed headrests to exclusive exterior paints mixed to match anything you desire. Yes, even your favorite shade of champagne done on the tech and safety front. The 2026 SL 860 is loaded with innovations. Level 3 autonomous driving capability, intelligent route-based suspension adjustments, predictive climate control, and biometric driver recognition all come standard. This isn't just a luxury sports car, it's a rolling showcase of Mercedes' most advanced engineering. The new SL 860 is expected to have a starting price north of $350,000, with bespoke builds easily surpassing $500,000. But for those who can afford it, this car isn't just a purchase, it's an experience, a statement, and a piece of automotive art that will turn heads everywhere it goes to Oh, there you have it, the 2026 Mercedes-Maybach SL 860, a perfect fusion of performance, luxury, and cutting-edge technology. It's more than just a new car, it's a new chapter for both the SL and Maybach lineages. If you enjoyed this deep dive, hit that like button, subscribe to the Review Garage, and stay tuned for more exclusive reviews and reveals from the world of high-end automotive excellence.